back again with the I was about to say S10, S2000 build. I just pulled the oil pan off, and I'm about to tap it for the drain. Some people like to tap, or I say tap, return back to like the timing cover. I always return back to the oil pan on every turbo application I do. So I've got the pan for it removed, got it cleaned out. Getting ready to weld it. I've already marked where I want to put it, which is on the passenger side. Same place I did mine, same place I do all of them. Always be sure when you putting the oil bung back in, you don't put it right under a bolt hole. So this has two perfectly good spaces you can use. I always use the one that's further back to give me a little longer drain. The longer the drain hose is, the easier it is for me to make the line. So yeah, I got this out, cleaned out. Here's another little tip. To get these perfectly clean and dry, hose them down with brake clean. That'll break down the oil and it'll just run out. So I'm about to finish drilling it and take it in there and get ready to weld it up. I'll hit it with the 3M surface prep disc. What those do, they don't really remove any material, they just get it really smooth and clean. So I don't use a grinding wheel. A grinding wheel will get down into the material. That doesn't. Alright, I've got that welded up. These always weld nice, so I did this one inside, outside. I'll let it cool off for a minute. Put another coat of Permatex or Honda Bond on it and let it get ready to sit. Bolt it back up and it'll seal up. These aluminum pans don't use a gasket, so all it takes is a gasket maker to get them to set and not leak. So yeah, that's it for the oil pan. I'll get ready to reinstall, and I'll move on to the next part to get this ready to turbo. And I guess I'll add this in. A lot of people ask about welding settings. I probably welded this at about 100. I had the machine set at about 155 amps because I just finished welding the intercooler yesterday and I haven't changed the machine yet. So about 150 amps. I was probably really at about 130 because I control it all with my foot. 330 seconds tungsten, blue, 2% thoriated. I use either that or rare earth, but right now I have a box of blue, so that's what I'm using, blue or purple. But anyway, yeah, about 130 amps, 330 second tungsten, 330 second rod. Weld it up, let it eat, and that's it.
Ovation, ovation, ovation. I love it, I love it. Ovation.